So hey, what's up everyone? This is Queen Saliste, and kapag na-browse nyo to guys, napanood nyo, this is your time to keep on trusting to the timing of our God. 'Di ba? Alam nyo, usually bago matapos yung taon, every other year, kapag magsisimula yung January 1, 'di ba? A lot of us are doing New Year's resolution. Ano yung mga bagay na hindi mo nagagawin for the another year, or yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin for another year. And ewan ko lang kung natutupad natin yon, 'di ba? But as a Christian, we are doing prayer request. Yung mga goals mo, gusto mong hingin sa Panginoon, inilalatag namin yan sa panalangin, and nililista namin yan sa notebook namin, devotion notebook. You can list down also in any paper na gusto mo, 'di ba? And for the last 21 days, nagkaroon kami ng prayer and fasting sa church namin. So, yung level ng faith mo is nadaragdagan kapag may pinapanalangin ka sa Panginoon, especially when He answer your prayers. Aminin nyo, kapag may sinasagot ang Lord na panalangin, talagang yung faith nyo ay nadaragdagan siya, in the sense na gusto nyong mag-pray pa ng mag-pray sa Panginoon dahil alam nyo na diringgin niya yung panalangin nyo. And claiming the verse in Mark 11 verse 24 that whatever we ask for in prayer, as we believe that we receive, and it will be ours. So kada prayer mo, you are claiming na magiging akin yung panalangin mo. So your level of faith is increasing. But when the time na dinidelay ng Panginoon yung prayers mo, dun nasusubok yung pasensya mo. And I myself, ay naranasan ko yan. Actually guys, almost a month na expired yung husband visa ko. And I have to renew it. Pero bago ma-expire yung husband visa ko, nirenew na namin siya. I've got my medical, pinaprocess na siya. And this is the first time na sobrang grabing struggle ang naranasan namin for my husband visa renewal. Why? Because may bagong rules, may kailangan ng ganito, and day by day, I always praying it to God, and if it's your will, I surrender it to God, and talagang nag-keep on patience lang ako. Lord, itong delays na to, hindi makakapagpababa ng pananampalataya ko sa'yo. And alam nyo, bago matapos yung deadline nung 1 month na stay ko pa dito sa Dubai, God answer my prayer. And even there's a delay, yung patience mo, nakita ng Panginoon kung paano ka nag-intay ng may pagtitiwala at may pananampalataya. But yes, I will not be hypocrite. Nalulungkot ako minsan kasi, Lord, this is my first time. It's my third time na magre-renew ng husband visa. Pero bakit ngayon lang tumagal ng ganito? Usually 1 to 2 days, your visa will be processed immediately. You will get your Emirates ID for the next day. 'Di ba? Ganun siya kabilis nung before naming pagre-renew. But this renewal ay sobrang talagang yung patience mo, ibubuhos mo talaga. And for now, God answer prayer pa din. May delay man sa prayer mo, sasagutin pa rin ng Panginoon. And yeah, I've got my Emirates ID now. Sobrang babaw lang nito sa karamihan, but sa akin, it's a big thing dahil ganon kumikilos ang Panginoon kung paano kanya tinuturuan ng kailangan mong matutunan. And then sometimes, syempre, meron ding mga prayers na hindi pa sinasagot ng Panginoon. Nasa waiting area pa ako. 'Di ba? Yung ibang mga prayers ko, naka-waiting area pa din sa Lord. And may mga prayers naman ako na alam kong hindi nasasagutin ng Panginoon dahil may ibinigay na siyang better. 'Di ba? Sometimes we need to open our heart, our mind, our soul, and our eyes dun sa mga bagay na binigay na pala ng Panginoon yung panalangin mo. Kaya lang, hindi mo nakikita kasi much better siya. So, what I've learned to this season, especially in praying, God will always answer your prayer in the best that He can do. And what we need to do is trust His timing. And I remember the verse in Isaiah 60 verse 22, that if the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa timing niya. So that's it guys. Hope you encourage. God bless you all and Jesus loves you. Bye!